So I add one more egg and 1 cup of unsweetened soy milk and 1 teaspoon of peanut butter because you like a consistency like this to be able to roll it into a shape like that. Preheat the oven to 365 Fahrenheit temperature. Okay. It will look like this. And actually you can also add cacao powder and cacao nibs para sa excitement ng iyong palate. The nibs will increase yung crunchiness. Tapos cacao powder, it's like the chocolate flavor. And choose the organic. It has more flavor. Okay, and then we put it in the oven. So we bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Usually, what I do is I flip the pan after 10 minutes and then flip it on the other side para equal yung distribution ng heat and para ma-bake. So I'll show you the end product after baking. So after 15 minutes, you just leave it on the oven just to get the warmth. So it will look like this, the finished product. And you use wax paper as a lining for your baking pan, okay? That's the scones. That's pecan, peanut butter, scones. Good for diabetic and hypertensive. It is a low glycemic, low salt scones. Taste test.
It's Mazra Delicioso.